Hey everybody, this is another use it, don't lose it, I guess. I had some stuff in the refrigerator, so I had some chili, so I have a pint and a half of chili, and then I just did a canner of meatloaf, and here's the rest of the meatloaf. It's in a pint and a half with some onions, and then I have this package of smoked Italian sausages. So I'm going to can these with some onion, and these will can for quart times. There we go. I have some onion. And since I'm only going to have 4 jars, I'm going to do these in the Carey canner, but you would can them exactly the same way in your regular canner for 90 minutes. Just try and squeeze them in where you can. Because you know when onion cooks, it shrinks to almost nothing. I'm gonna wipe my rim. Oops, I'm sorry, I always do that to you. It's knocking you around. Some vinegar. Put the lid on. Fingertip tight. And on to the next one. And we'll load up the canner. Alright, we have our nice clean canner. We're going to add our jars. And this is just to show you that if you have stuff in your refrigerator and it will all can at a like time, put it all together in a canner, your stove top, your electric canner, and can it up and free up that space in your fridge or your freezer, and you'll have shelf stable food. It's storm season too, so it's kind of a double whammy. The Carey, or I think it's the Nesco now, takes 4 cups of water. Close it, lock it. I'm going to plug it in over there. Make sure it's on exhaust up here. And then right here I'm going to push high and set the time for 90 minutes. And push start. Now this will get to E10 and you will come back and you will turn this to airtight. And then the timer will start off and it'll be canning. So yeah. I saw dust on there and I needed to get it off. I'm sorry. So there we go. And I will come back when this lets me open it up and take them out. Okay, let's those out. See all that steam? It's hot in there. Make room for these. Out of room. So there we have it, everybody. We've got 4 extra jars for the shelves, some chili, some sausages and onion, and a meatloaf. So if you have any questions, post them down below. Remember, you can save everything. Dehydrate it, can it, freeze it. But remember, it's storm season for a lot of people, so if you can get it in a jar, all the better. So I will see you all in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy, wash your hands.